Hey.
Hi.
So what's going on? What are we doing?
We're going to make Easter eggs.
Easter eggs? Yeah, Easter eggs.
And that's green juice. And this is cabbage juice. And this is beet juice. And
This was turmeric. Turmeric juice. Can you pull the stick out so we can see how overnight? Yeah, that's pretty yellow, so we'll see how that goes. So we have turmeric juice, which you could actually drink it. I mean, it wouldn't taste the best. Beet juice, you could drink it. It's just beet juice and what, a little bit of vinegar?
Vinegar and salt, that's it.
And then there's red cabbage, like she said, Elena, and then parsley juice over there. So let's stir up these a little bit to see that they're... And this just juiced in the juicer and then blended. This was boiled. This one was boiled and then blended and then just strained. The parsley was juiced in the juicer because it gets kind of pulpy, so then it was blended after that and then strained. And there was nothing to strain, so it kind of blended out completely. And the beet was just juiced in the juicer. Huh?
no double dipping.
No double dipping, that's right. We don't want to mix the color in case, you know.
We want to...
And the turmeric was powdered turmeric in this case with hot water, just dissolved in hot water. So all this is completely edible. It might be pungent, but it's completely edible. It's no toxic colors, so we're going to see what happens when we put things in.
Before we start, we want to empty some of that beet juice off because we have more than we need for the
you
eggs.
Want some beet juice? Yeah, sure. It has a little vinegar and salt. You can try it. I don't know how it is. Yumi loves beet, so you do too, right? I'm not as crazy about beet. See? Beautiful beet juice.
That's enough.
Yeah, that's about right. So, cheers. I don't know again how much, but there's not much vinegar, but no. I'm not a beet juice person. I'll eat beets, but I don't care so much.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the lightest eggs, because these are real farm eggs, so they don't all come white, bright white. So we're going to take the lightest colored eggs and put them over here. Let's see how about this one. That's pretty light, right?
This?
Okay. That you can leave there, but then we'll take the darker ones and put over there. Just put the dark ones on that side over by Kiara. And sort of the medium ones in the middle. That one's kind of
Both.
over here. This is dark. Let's put the dark ones over that side. Just so we can organize.
Kind of light.
That's kind of light, yeah. We need that down.
This is light, right?
This is dark. This is really dark. So we put that there. This is pretty dark, you know.
How about this?
That's not so bad.
This is light.
This is kind of
This is light.
That's pretty light, but not as light as those. But it's pretty light though. Right? How about these guys? That's about the same. Yeah, so these we can put up here. And then the... Let's see, these are darker. That's probably good.
Okay.
So, what we're going to do, so we have 14, right? So we can put 4 in that one.
No, we have 16.
Yeah, we have 16, so we can put 4 in each one actually. You're right, 16, you're right. Good. So Elena's hand is tiny, right? So why don't we just, if you can take an egg, right? And
Use
just
the
stick your hand
dark ones in that one.
and don't drop it in, just lay it in there, okay?
Well, we want to use the darker ones in that one, right?
Oh, sorry, yeah, take that out.
Well, that one's committed.
Let's
You
not
put it in.
rinse it.
Okay.
Okay. Because we're going to use the light ones in the turmeric. I'm not quite awake yet because I haven't had my coffee. Did you get red on yours? A little bit. So wipe here. You can put the white. There we go. So we do it
So
again.
these ones.
Yeah, so the darker ones we'll put in the red, right?
Yep.
Because they can handle it. Okay, go ahead and take this one. So instead of that, since your hand is tiny, Jon?
Yep.
Your hand is tiny, so you just put this in. We'll just lay it in there carefully. Okay? And then we'll just let it roll to the bottom. That's probably good. Just let go.
Let go.
Let go.
Go.
Stick the whole thing in. There you go. There we go. That's alright. That's what the napkin is for. So do another one. And we'll just lay them in there carefully. Because we don't want egg yolk and stuff coming out. There we go. One more. And then we'll just park them in here for a little bit and see what happens when they take the color.
How do we take them out?
We'll get a spoon. Last one. Like Kiara could do that one too, because you can do Kiara, because she could reach in now, because it's kind of high up now. Just lay that thing in.
There we go.
There you go.
Did it stir up some? Yeah, it's plenty.
Yeah, it's
it
good,
stirred
it's
up
fine.
fine. Yep.
Then we clean up it a little bit so the video doesn't have all this junk on it, because it makes it nasty.
Yeah.
Makes it look like we're a mess house. Thank you very much. Like your kitchen assistant. There we go. Plus you have to take the box back home with eggs, so it'd be nice to have a box that works. Okay, so now let's try the darkest one. I know. Try these guys now. Because they're the darkest ones, so we'll put them in the dark liquid, right?
Yep.
Yep. That's kind of light, actually. That's actually lighter. This is kind of darker, isn't it? Yeah, that's a good point, Kira. These are about the
They're
same,
both
right? Yeah. So put these over here, and these are kind of,
Like,
these are good, yeah. So, let's get these into the beet juice here. Probably Eleanor first, because you got a little hand. There we go. Now Kiara can reach. There they go. Just gonna drop them into this nature zone. There we go. Now they all submerged in the beet juice. There we go.
I can see the eggs.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna dip this in a little bit more. So there we go. I'll put them in there. And then,
Take this.
okay. That was unanimous agreement. So let's put 4 eggs out on the thing, and then we can put them in. Yep. So go ahead. Just set them in there. So that's the red cabbage in there. There we go. Yeah. The red cabbage is supposed to take the longest of all the eggs. So what we're gonna do is lay them in here, and then we're gonna go sow some interesting things, and then we're gonna come back. And this thing, I think we need to switch a. You might want to put an extra egg in there, and then we'll put 3 in there. Cause don't put any eggs in here. We're gonna change it in here, right? And then we'll take this stuff and just pour it into the smaller one, because this is better for a small one here. We'll just pour this parsley juice on top of the eggs here. That should fit right. Yeah, that's right. That's about right. Anybody want parsley juice? Want a little parsley juice? You want me to
Yeah, we don't have it.
Yep.
So we'll put these in here. And this one I might put
How was
a lid
that?
on.
Good.
Yeah.
Right.
This one I might put a lid on just to hold them down, you know, just to keep them from popping out. So we'll do that, and then we'll just leave them alone for a while and see what happens.
Yeah.
Check them again.
All right.
That should work just fine. All right. So that's the nature zone Easter eggs here. We'll put this lid on so we can kind of hold them into the box hopefully. At least this way we can shake them a little, you know what I mean? We can kind of go like this and cover them up in the green. So we'll see what happens. All right. All for now. Put it nice and flat.
So what are we doing here?
So what are we doing, Eleanor?
We're sewing
We're doing
case.
the zigzaggy?
Yeah.
Yep, we're going to zigzag the, what's this for?
My sunglasses.
Sunglasses case, yeah? That's right.
Okay.
We're gonna put sunglasses. So we're going to zigzag the edges so we don't have it threading, unraveling here, right? See, it's all fraying. We got to zigzag it so we can stop all that fraying.
I see.
You want to
And
put the foot down for us?
let's look who's controlling the zigzag here.
Hello.
Oh, you are the.
Do I go now?
I see.
No, you cannot go now.
Okay.
There you go. And then we push the needle down. There we go. And then your finger goes on. Your hands go where they go. Okay, so now we can tell Kiara to get moving. Go ahead and go. Yep.
Hello.
Stop. Stop. And then we push this thing to go back. Yep. Go. Kiara, go ahead. Yep. Up. Yep. Stop. Yeah, that's probably okay. I think we might be starting to lose that black thread.
This
but
mine.
let's go forward.
Wait, this no.
Go ahead and go. So we're doing the teamwork. Okay, get ready, stop. And a little more. Stop. There you go. Then we lift up the arm here. Yep, there we go. And then we spin this stuff. And put the arm back down carefully. There we go. You ready? Oh, hang on. Let's make sure we still have, yeah, we're still threading on the back, so there's still thread on the thing. Okay, keep going. You start again. There we go. See if it's still zigzagging. Still got thread on the back. I think it ended. Gonna stop for a sec.
Hey, so what's going on?
What are we doing, Elena?
We're putting
Elastic.
Into
What is it?
thread.
Yeah, into the glasses case, right? So we're helping each other, so I've got a safety pin in here, we're guiding through this channel, and Elena is pulling the fabric off. So we can get that elastic through. The draw cord here, this is draw cord. It's really what it is. Can you do that again? It's getting tight now. Now it's coming out, see? See what's coming? Now this safety pin thing is going to be coming out the other end. It's going to be a little bit tight to get out. But there it comes, see? So we got to be careful not to pull this in, so you hold that so we don't lose that. It could suck it all the way through. There we go. And now we take this off so we can get this completed. See, now we take these two and bunch it up good like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we need to cut the ends so they're nice and smooth. Like that, right? And then we have to burn it. That's elastic. That's oh,
okay.
That's trash.
So we're back.
Okay, we're ready? So now you got to put your hair out of the way. There we go. We don't want hair in this thing. Now we're just going to make that just touch the thing. Melt a little bit right there. Melt it.
Yep.
And the other one. I'm going to melt this guy. There you go. And now we can touch it. Now we can feel how it's closed, right? Yep. Now we won't have a problem with elastic coming out. So then we're going to make the knot. You want knot first, don't you?
Hey Kiara, show me yours.
So we don't lose
Your
the
finished
cord.
product. There it is. Nice. Very nice.
Very nice. Can you show inside? We had an up. There's an up inside somewhere. If you put it inside out. Remember how we wrote up when we made the actual thing at some point here? There's the rest of your up right there. That's a U and the P right there. That's where we wrote up when we made the design.
Oh, what'd you do that for?
Hey, what did we do that for? Do you know?
B.
To kind of make sure we got the direction correct. So
That's a good idea.
Have a tube that was too long and too skinny.
Yeah.
So that's yours. You want to put your glasses in? Isn't that darling? And now they won't get scratched either. Just like the goggles the other day. Now we have a case for goggles and a case for sunglasses. And if you lose these things, you know how much work is involved in making a new one? So we don't lose it. But we may not get another one if we lose it. But we don't even have any more of this cord, so if we lose it, it's going to have orange cord in it or something.
Okay, so finished product.
That's
Let's
it.
see.
And then you're going to tighten it. Oh, you tighten it, yeah. You can tighten it here. Like that. Yep.
Okay.
You are.
Looks
show
good.
Your mommy. Show your mommy your work.
And only
I know. You want to show your mommy your work?
What they did.
Nice. Who made it?
me.
This one? Who made it?
I mean,
It's very nice. I like that. Well done. Well done. Good, huh?
Yeah. Okay. So I think it'll be lunchtime now, or brunch time.
Lunchtime now, yeah. Lunchtime.
Look into the crazy kitchen. Okay, what's up?
So we're out here to examine the result of the egg experiment, right? Because nobody's done this before, so we're just trying it. So let's see what we have. We're going to put them right back in the carton to take home. So let's see what we have here. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Wow, check that out. That's pretty blue. So this was the red cabbage, right?
Yeah.
The red cabbage egg right here. I think maybe I'll take the spoon that has the holes in it so we can drain it out. Like that. That's really amazing. Look at that blue egg. Let me try to rinse it and see if I can rinse it without rinsing off the color. Try some cold water. It's still blue after rinsing, see? That's definitely blue.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely blue. So let me get a little bowl and then put them in here, then we can rinse. Exactly, I'm going to rinse them all at once and put them in the thing. Wow. They are blue. Look at the color in this bowl too, all that. And these weren't even white eggs. If you use white eggs, you probably get even more blue. Look at that. Wow. Meanwhile, the girls are drinking that pepper shake. Actually, almost done. Okay. So that was beet juice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. Let's see what we have. Ooh.
Ooh.
That's pretty red.
Yeah.
All
It's
right.
cracking.
Is it? Well, let's put it in here. Yeah, there's a crack.
It's
Let's put this in here.
cracking. Oh no.
Looks red to me.
The red one is cracking.
It smells like beet too, you know?
Can I? Yeah, I can.
Smell that earthy beet smell.
I can't see.
Look at that one.
Can't smell
Look
it.
red?
Can I smell it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Smell it?
Oh yeah.
Earthy. And I think there's one more, right? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here comes some before. So let's go wash those off.
But the one is cracking open.
Well, then we can eat that one.
Wait. But the red ones, the red eggs look like they're just ordinary.
Yeah, they don't look as, the red ones don't look as red. These are really successful. But if you have white eggs, the red ones should be very nice. But you need to get some white.
Why do I
eggs
keep
and put
hitting
them in.
myself here?
That's a good question.
You keep hitting yourself.
All right, so let's see if we have any yellow or not.
Oh. If there isn't.
I don't think the greens work. I don't think they want in. But the yellow should have something. But again, the red and the yellow would be good on white eggs, right? So if we get white eggs.
Yep.
Give it be on yellow. Hello.
All right, let's see if we have any success
Oh,
over
you're
here.
recording it.
Let's see. Yellow. All right.
Not as yellow.
Not as yellow, but imagine if this was a white egg, though. I want you to go home and get some white eggs, really white eggs. Because I can tell it will turn.
From
See?
where?
Just the store. They don't have to be good. They can just be bad farm eggs. You can just do it as an experiment, right?
No, but don't eat them.
No, don't eat them. That's right. Just look at them. But these are yellow. If this was a white egg, you'd see it. You can tell. You can tell that they took the color. See? You can tell the color difference there and stuff. And this is very staining. This stuff is very yellow. So, yeah. See that?
I can smell it.
Right.
Oh, I want to smell it.
Yeah, turmeric is a very characteristic smell. Very special smell.
So let's see what we have. Yeah.
These look more like they did before we put them in, but these are most definitely yellow
Yep.
compared to
Camila,
before. These
all
are
of them-
definitely blue.
All the blue ones are. They look like dinosaur eggs.
I know, they do, huh?
I am dinosaur eggs.
They do. So if you have white eggs, because we use the sort of brownish eggs, right? If you use bright white eggs, you'll definitely get color out of this. So I think we should consider this a successful experiment. And maybe get some white eggs and put it in again, because you can use this again.
Oh, can we see the green ones?
We're gonna see the green one. We're gonna see the green one.
Okay.
So here's the watch strap made for children, so they don't lose their watch. When they earn their Venture watch after drinking kefir for about 6 weeks, twice a day, something like that. So we put it on like this, right? And then you can put it on. Elena picked her colors the other day. Why don't you come over here and sit and
She's been sitting over here.
put this on. Put this on the right arm, right? And you can see better. Put it on. We're still learning to put the watch on, right? Right, and then you can put this. Yeah, that goes after. Just stick that in there for now. Put that in there. Put this on your leg or something tight. Or down here, like this. There, and then you pull this like I showed you. Just pull it all the way tight. There you go. All the way tight, as far as you want. As tight as you... No, tighter. Nope. All the way tight. There you go. And then put it on. There you go. There we go.
There's this.
You can fix that after. That just goes in there. Remember we had talked about that. There you go.
There.
Yep. Now you can tell what time it is. So that's prototyping on my watch, so we can make the other one, and then everybody has a watch, so they can tell what time it is and time themselves in the pool, or you can swim with it because it's waterproof. And this watch is like 8 years old. Yeah, so you just do a simple this. Pull it all the way, that way, and then you can stick your finger in here and loosen. Right? There you go, you can take it off. Just don't do the Velcro. The Velcro will attach, right? There you go. So the key with gear is that you want to make sure you don't lose it. So you have a lot of Velcro here, so you don't lose it. Because if you lose it, you lose the watch. A lot of travel. A lot of Velcro.
No.
So that took a little while,
But it's worth it.
But as Elena reminded me, if at first, say it again, if at first you don't succeed,
you try it again.
you try it again. That's right. So
Good
you gotta
advice.
get the wisdom from the 7-year-olds.